In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or connect to a VPN network on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says network and internet. And then on the right side, select VPN. And where it says VPN connections at the top, select add VPN. And at this point, you can enter in the VPN provider name, connection and server names, VPN type, as well as the optional username and password. And you would select save to confirm, and that's all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.